This message is not for everyone. It's for the woman who feels like her life doesn't look the way she imagined. The one who feels disoriented, uncertain, quietly asking, "Did I miss my moment?" If that's you, pause. Because what you're feeling right now is not failure. It's a turning point. You're not lost. You're being redirected. And redirection often feels like confusion before it feels like clarity. Stay with me. Welcome to Dream Life Diaries, a gentle space for women navigating change, healing from burnout, and rebuilding life with faith, courage, and intention. This is not a channel about hustling your way forward. It's about awakening to what life and God is quietly shaping within you. Let me speak to you directly. You didn't end up here by accident. This season, the confusion, the pause, the unraveling is not a detour. It's an invitation to stop running on autopilot, to stop living someone else's expectations, to stop measuring your worth by timelines that were never yours. Sometimes life doesn't collapse. It interrupts you on purpose. Because continuing the same path would have cost you too much. Redirection doesn't come with a map. It comes with uncertainty, discomfort, questions, and silence. And silence is scary, especially for women who are used to being productive, capable, and dependable. But silence is where alignment begins. When God redirects, He rarely explains everything up front. He invites trust before clarity. That's why this season feels unfamiliar. You're no longer moving from habit. You're moving from truth. Here's the awakening most people miss. Feeling lost doesn't mean you lack direction. It means the old direction no longer fits who you're becoming. You didn't lose your way. You outgrew it. This pause is not emptiness. It's recalibration. Your values are shifting. Your desires are refining. Your soul is catching up with your life. That's not breakdown. That's awakening. In faith, redirection is sacred. God often removes clarity before He reveals calling. Not to confuse you, but to free you from paths that no longer serve your becoming. If you feel unsure right now, you're not abandoned. You're being guided. Don't rush answers. Instead, listen inward, honor your pace, release old identities, stay present, and trust small steps. You don't need to know the whole path. You only need the courage to stay with yourself while the next step reveals itself. If this message awakened something in you, I invite you to subscribe to Dream Life Diaries. Watch other videos on this channel. They are created to walk with you through seasons of uncertainty, healing, and becoming. Like, share, and comment if this message met you where you are. And if you know a woman who feels lost right now, send this to her. She's not behind. She's being guided. You're not lost. You're being redirected toward a life that finally fits who you're becoming. This is how awakening begins.